Greetings, this is Chef RayRay, and I am going to show you how to make some bomb lentil soup. Lentil soup is one of the healthiest things that you can eat. It will help keep you healthy this winter. So let's go through the ingredients real quick. We have nutritional yeast. That's always my go-to. Little red onion. I have some rainbow carrots, but you can do whatever carrots you like. A little celery, some potatoes, a little green onion, a little garlic, a little thyme, some black peppercorns, salt, olive oil, and of course, lentils. Okay, first we want to make sure that we rinse our lentils very well. Make sure you look through them. Make sure that there's no little stones or anything that doesn't look correct. We're going to take a couple cloves of garlic. We're going to bust that out. Take off the shell. We're going to throw that in there. We're going to do that with both. We're going to take a little either fresh or dry thyme, and we're going to add that. We'll add a little peppercorn. We'll add the nutritional yeast. Salt. Add a little olive oil. We're going to throw a little green onion in there as well. Take peppercorns. Alright, so we're going to take that mixture that we had already muddled, and we're going to drop that in our hot pan. Okay, since we have that mixture in there, then we're going to take a little red onion, we're going to throw that in. We want to cook some of that again. Now next, we're going to drop a little celery in there. That oil and all those seasonings coat all of it. Alright, now we're going to throw a little carrots in there. I use these rainbow carrots because they're just real good. Look at all that yumminess cooking down there. Woo-hoo! Alright, now I'm going to add our potatoes. I'm going to stir and cook those a bit. A little extra oil. Once those vegetables have cooked down, put those lentils in there. Oil. Put them all in. And a little filtered water.